Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can sort by highest or lowest number in your tables and sheets on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your table and let's assume, for instance, your table features a column like that here with a set of numbers, and now you'd like to sort these from starting, for example, with the highest number to the lowest or vice versa. This is how you can do it. Highlight the cells with the given numbers. So I'm going to highlight all of these. And after that, you will see these sorting options here at the top, sort ascending or sort descending. You can use one of these options. So if I, for example, adjust the sort range for the extent selection or current selection, you can go with one of these, it would look like that. And as you can see now, we have started with the lowest number, minus 78, and it goes up to 132. And yeah, you can do this also for the alphabet, for example, for letters, sorting from A to Z, which is basically the same as sort ascending and descending. So if you click into this and select current selection, it will start with A and go down even up to W, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.